Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of cloud computing and learning how to connect to your DigitalOcean Droplet using SSH. Whether you're a developer, a sysadmin, or just someone curious about cloud servers, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have these three things ready: a DigitalOcean account with a droplet already created, your Droplet's IP address, an SSH key pair. This includes a private key on your local machine and a public key added to your Droplet. The default password for that username if you aren't using SSH keys. If you haven't set up an SSH key yet, check out the video in the description where we walk you through the process. If you're on Windows and prefer a GUI-based approach, you can use PuTTY. Download and install it. PuTTY is an open-source SSH and Telnet client for Windows. It allows you to securely connect to remote servers from a local Windows computer. Once installed, just enter your Droplet's IP, select SSH, and click Open. If you've set up an SSH key, be sure to add it under PuTTY's SSH authentication settings. If you're using macOS or Linux, connecting to your Droplet is super straightforward. Open your terminal and type the following command. You can change root to your own username. The default username is root on most Linux operating systems. Next, just go copy the IP address of your Droplet or just type it. If you set up an SSH key, you'll be logged in automatically. If not, you'll be prompted to enter your password. And just like that, you're in. You now have full access to your Droplet's command line. Having trouble connecting? Here are a few quick tips. Double-check your Droplet's IP address. Ensure your SSH key is correctly added to your Droplet. Make sure your firewall isn't blocking port 22, which is used for SSH. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.